And as Uganda, we are honored to host such a big and important meeting as a country program. We are here to reflect and celebrate the success of the GTF program. And already, as you may have noticed from the different evaluations and impact assessments that have been undertaken, a lot has been achieved in terms of strengthening citizens' voice to demand for their right to access to WASH, but also to engage proactively government to do things differently. We have also seen where government has been able to respond positively and made the changes that are needed at community level. We have also realized that there has been some policy changes at the national level. But as we reflect in this meeting, we need to ask ourselves, has this project really delivered as it had been programmed to? We also need to identify the lessons that have really helped this program move forward and how we can use those to strengthen our programming in terms of promoting the right to water and sanitation. We should not just reflect on the good things that have happened. It is important that even the failures, things that have not gone very well in this program, are discussed, and that's when we can even learn better and improve our program. It is through shared learning that we'll be able to make our programs better. So I'm hopeful that this can even be a consistent way of reflecting on our programming, even in the future. Otherwise, I wish you very nice deliberations, nice stay in Uganda.